In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file from Microsoft Teams. If you're working in an environment where collaboration is key, knowing how to efficiently download files from Teams can streamline your workflow and ensure you have all the necessary documents at your fingertips, even when offline. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your preferred device, whether that's your computer, tablet, or phone. Make sure you're signed into your account to access all the features and files you need. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see several options: Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and Files, among others. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on Files. This section is specifically designed to organize all the documents and media shared within your Teams environment, acting as a centralized hub for easy access. Once you've clicked on Files, you'll notice a list of all the documents shared across your Teams channels. This may include documents you've recently worked on, files shared with you by teammates, or even files from your OneDrive. It's your one-stop destination for accessing and managing your shared documents. Now scroll through the list until you find the file you wish to download. This might take some time if you have a lot of shared content, but using the search bar at the top can significantly expedite your search if you remember the file's name. Once you find the desired file, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options or Overflow menu, next to the file name. These 3 dots are your gateway to more file actions. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see a variety of options like Open in SharePoint, Copy Link, Delete, and so forth. What we are focusing on today is downloading the file to your local device. So for that purpose, click on Download. This action will prompt the file to start downloading immediately to your device's default download location. You should see a progress indicator on your screen signaling that the download is in progress, and soon it will be completed. It's important to note that the download will typically go to whichever folder your web browser or Teams app is configured to save files, usually the Downloads folder, so make sure to know this location to easily find your file afterward. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a file from Microsoft Teams. Remember, keeping your files organized locally is just as important, so take a moment to rename, relocate, or categorize your files post-download to maintain an effective filing system. We hope this guide has been helpful in improving your workflow and easing the process of managing and accessing file systems through Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more handy tutorials coming your way.